Thanks for visit. Haryana Police Constable Recruitment 2024, PST, PMT date, and admit card download link, list of candidates. The Haryana Staff Selection Commission HSSC has released the PST schedule and admit card for advertisement number 06/2024 for the recruitment of 6,000 constables including 5,000 males and 1,000 females. The notification on the 28th of June and online applications were invited from the 29th of June to the 11th of July 2024. The PMT result is declared and candidates are now called for the PST exam from 1 to the 12th of August 2024. The written exam date is declared. The exam will be held on the 25th of August 2024 in the morning session. Haryana Police Constable Date 2024. HSSC has released the Male Constable PST date on the 30th of July 2024. The Physical Standard Test PST for the male-female candidates will be conducted from 1 to the 12th of August 2024. The HSSC has released the detailed schedule of PST and admit card on its website hssc.gov.in. Official website hpsc.gov.in. Important dates. The candidates can apply online from the 29th of June to the 11th of July 2024. The Physical Measurement Test PMT date was conducted from the 23rd to the 27th of July 2024. The PSTT will be held from 1 to the 10th of August 2024. The Haryana Police Constable written exam will be held on the 25th of August 2024. Vacancies, eligibility, age limit. The age limit for the Haryana Police Constable vacancy 2024 is 18 to 25 years, 12th pass. The crucial date for the calculation of the age limit is the 1st of June 2024. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules of the government. Male Constable, Gen equals 1800, SC equals 900, BCA equals 700, BCB equals 400, EWS equals 500, ESM Gen equals 350, ESM SC equals 100, ESM BCA equals 100, ESM BCB equals 150. Female Constable, Gen equals 360, SC equals 180, BCA equals 140, BCB equals 80, EWS equals 100, ESM Gen equals 70, ESM SC equals 20, ESM BCA equals 20, ESM BCB equals 30. Selection process. The selection process for the Haryana Police Constable includes the following 5 stages. Physical Measurement Test PMT qualifying. Physical Standards Test PST qualifying. Written exam 94.5% weightage. Document verification 3% weightage NCC. Medical examination. Exam pattern. 1. All questions shall be compulsory. The question paper shall be bilingual English or Hindi. An offline OMR-based written examination for the knowledge test will be held for recruitment for the post of constable. Though, there shall be no negative marking for wrong answers. The total no of questions will be 100 with a weightage of 0.945 marks for each question. 3. In case a candidate doesn't mark any of the 5 options for a question, then 0.945 marks for each unattempted question shall be deducted. A candidate has to fill one option compulsorily out of the 5 options given. An extra 5 minutes shall be given to mark the 5th option if the candidate does not know the answer. 4. The total time allowed for the paper will be 100 जोड़ 5 equals 105 minutes including the 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.